This ain't bad. This is fine. I can live with it. What's up, YouTube? I'm dead broke today. Currently got like $16 to my name. You know, it is what it is. Shit happens. Doing some Uber Eats again. Trying to get the money. Just follow me along. Follow me. Fucking dumbasses. Car almost hit me, but what was I gonna say? Oh, there's a rain forecasted today, so that'll be exciting. Let's see how that goes. Woo. I should actually start my Strava. What the fuck am I doing? Let's get the Strava on. No! You too. Yeah. Can't even go online right now. Spam this, John. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait and try again in a little bit. Yeah, so I've done some waiting around, no luck. I'm just gonna go to Long Island because they don't have the scheduling bullshit over there. So it's like 3.5 mile ride.
600 feet, turn right
and then we're just gonna do our thing.
In 500 feet, turn right onto 99th Avenue.
You heard? 500 feet, turn right on 99th Avenue. Alright, we about to enter Nassau County. That's where Long Island starts. Elongated island. Gonna see if I can go online here. Don't give me that bullshit. I'm in Long Island. Sometimes you gotta get out of the app and go back in. Oh, they want me to stop. Hold up, I'll stop. Fucking bullshit. Very nice photo. Who that good-looking John? All right, let's see what we can do. We online now. Let the orders come in when they decide. Lane splitting. Where the motor's at? I'm gonna find a place to sit down and just save my energy. I'm gonna just park up here. While I wait, I'm just gonna read my book. Started reading this book. It's called Sell Like Crazy by Mr. Sabri Subi. Y'all know who Sabri Subi is, right? He was in the Shark Tank. He was a shark. My man's was a shark. Anyway, I'll start recording whenever I get an order. Until then, I'll just read my book. It's been like 15 minutes, no fucking orders. Just me, my book, and my bike. Yeah, so a couple minutes later, I did get myself an order, and it's like literally right next to where I was sitting. I'm on my way. That's the clip. We're just gonna go inside. What's up, man? How you doing? I'm picking up for Anita. Hello, I'm good. I'm picking up for Anita. Right there, thank you. Alright, Anita's order is packed. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. And we off. Gotta clip ourselves. It's less hot now, which is good. It's a nice BMW. Climb.
Turn right onto Plainfield Avenue.
Is that why they call it Plainfield? Because there's a field over there? That's it. Thank you for going 14 miles an hour. We have gotten to our location. Should be right down. It's ready for her. Hello. Hi. Oh, thank you so much. You're the best. That's for you. Have a good one. Oh yeah, she gave me the money. We could actually sit there and wait for the next one, but I do like finding empty parking lots. That place look chill. Fuck it, I'm just across the street. No fucks given. I'm gonna just sit and wait here. Oh yeah, I found the spot. The spot. Now we wait. Oh, forgot to confirm that. Uber didn't know I did my job already. Now they do. Get back to reading my book. Alright, so just as I pulled my book out, I got another order. So we're gonna go pick it up. Ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. If only it did, I wouldn't have to do this shit today. Go to the 7-Eleven, that's right here. Tulip Bicycle Shop. That's the 7-Eleven. The NYPD here. Nice. Excuse me, officers. Thank you. Thank you, sir. How you doing, man? I'm picking up an order. Let me check the name. William. For William.
Yeah, ID buddy.
ID? You need my ID?
Yep.
I don't have my ID with me. I usually never have to show my ID. It's for the customer. Like, I have to verify the ID.
But in the system, come check the ID of driver. How much you are holding?
Huh? I'm 24 years old, but like I don't have my driver. I'm not even driving.
Who are driving?
I'm riding a bicycle, my dude. I don't need a.
Do you have any proof of your age?
Yeah.
Fine. See this.
Bro.
Yeah, I'm showing my system.
All right.
You can check the date.
I believe you, man. I trust you.
Why should I ask you?
Exactly.
System should check the ID of the driver. Driver check the ID of the customer.
Here, look. My date of birth, January 17, 2000. That's 24 years ago.
Yeah.
So, can I take it?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah, my man. Bro, this ain't even my first rodeo. I do this shit like all the time.
Confirm the order?
Yeah, of course.
Because in the system comes whenever
Oh,
any
no,
guy
no,
comes.
I believe you,
check the
man. But
identity.
usually never I
I
have
don't
to
have
show
to
my
give another
ID.
time to anybody.
Yeah.
No, we have to go to the
Yeah,
system.
I know. I pick up like beer from 7-Eleven all the time, but...
In system it's come like check the ID of the driver. Because
okay,
many guy, like small guy, make the Uber Eats ID of.
Oh, yeah.
They are using.
I know.
But their age is not useful, you know.
Yeah.
No valuable.
All right, man. Thank you.
Take care, buddy.
I will. You also. All right. Let's go. You're very welcome. See if we can catch that slip. Is this violet over here? No, that's not. What is? Oh, it's a little further up. Right on violet. Now let's find our man's William. Whoop.
William C. says, need a door.
It's at 25. It's 21, 23, 25 should be over there. Oh, new order. Whoop. Gonna ring the bell. This is Uber Eats. William, how you doing, man?
Good, man. How you?
I gotta check if you're sober. Are you sober?
I'm sober.
You appear sober.
There you go, man.
Thank you. Driver's license, scan barcode. Is it not enough light?
Can I put a light on for you?
No, it should be fine. There you go.
There you go.
Awesome.
All right, man,
Let me get your stuff real quick. There you go, man. Enjoy your night.
Right?
I will. Thank you. Oh, before you go, I need your signature. Autograph, please.
Oh, you want my autograph now?
Yes, please.
Yo, let's go Trump.
Thank you.
Enter your
Trump
pickup at
2024,
Taco
right?
90.
I'm not very political, but whatever.
Enter
Bro
your
said
drop-off at
Trump.
90. Turn right. Right on Cherokee Drive.
So we at Taco Bell right now. Gonna pick up some order. Hello, I'm picking up for Sabrina, Uber Eats. And question, can I fill up my water bottle over there? Thank you. We're gonna get some water. They do have low calorie Gatorade. Do I want that shit? Maybe a little bit. Free Gatorade. Gatorade is mostly water, so. The wait. Yo, look at this. The answer is always tacos. Yo, gang, so we had to wait for a while before we could get Sabrina's order. And I'm going to 242nd Street right after 93rd Ave, and the house number is 9236. Yo, guess what, gang? I just finished doing that delivery, right? And I did like a whole rant on my way here. But then I realized my GoPro wasn't even recording. But yeah, anyway, I'll just do the fucking rant again. I was talking about how you should learn your city. Because the way here was, it was literally just a straightforward and then right. But Google Maps was like navigating me all the way around there. So it's like important you learn your fucking city. But yo, it's getting dark anyway. I'm not gonna keep recording like all of these deliveries. I'm gonna check back with you like the end of the day, like when I'm done, and then I'm telling you how much money I made, which ain't gonna be a lot, I can tell you that, but just stay around. Yo, so just finished doing another delivery, and my phone battery was a little low. So what I did was I went up to this deli and I asked him like if I could charge my phone in there. So I just left my phone there, it's charging. I'm just gonna wait out here at the parking lot, chill for a little bit. Oh, the rains battle start in like 15-20 minutes ish, so I'm excited for that. And what else do I want to say? Not a lot. I'm just gonna wait here and read my book until the rain starts, and then we just gonna be on our shit. Yo, so it's been like 20 minutes ish. The rain started coming down. I don't know if y'all can see, but the rain. Anyway, I finished a chapter of my book, and now I'm just gonna go inside and grab my phone and then see if I can continue doing more orders. Yo, bro. Oh, bro, I'll take the phone back.
Your cable is not working, but
Oh, really? This cable, sometimes you have to move it a little bit. Oh, thank you so much, man. You're the man. So it is pouring down, but I don't think it's gonna be raining for too long. It's probably gonna stop in a minute. We'll see. We'll see. Drink some more of the free Gatorade I got. Man, I love Gatorade. Sponsor me, Gatorade. Let me check the rain situation. Oh boy, it's gonna get worse and worse. I went online. Now I'm just gonna wait for the orders to come in. So far, I've only made $16. Maybe a little more actually, because like some of the shits haven't been processed. Yeah, so we're picking up an order again around Baskin Robbins. So it's for Aaron. Hello. I am. It's for Aaron. No worries. Take your time. Yo, so I picked up the order from the Dunkin' / Baskin. I was getting some donut from there because carbohydrates need the fuel, and they gave me a free donut. Shout out to them. And I'm picking up another order, and then I'm gonna deliver those two. Yo guys, look at this. It's pouring. Sheesh. About to go in there. Wish me luck, hope I don't die. This ain't bad. This is fine. I can live with it. The quarter-mile destination will be on the left. You heard? Alright, so I wasn't feeling it. I got home and let me do you the earnings breakdown right now. My room is like hella messy. I'm not trying to show you guys that, but just stay with me here. So I was online for 2 hours and 49 minutes, active for 2 hours and 20 out of that. I made $36 on the app and $6 tip in cash. So I made 42 dineros. Let me also show you how much miles I did. On Strava, I was active for 3 hours and 2 minutes, and I did 26.8 miles. 42 divided by... So it was like 1.6-ish to the mile. Like $1.6 to the mile. Now, Tell me in the comments why I should stop doing this and get a job instead. I dare you.